Are you stopping for fast food, eating it in your car before you even get home? If this is you, keep watching. I used to do that almost every day, and I hated who I was becoming. I'd pop a piece of gum in my mouth, walk in the door, and act like nothing happened. No one knew I had already eaten, and I made sure they didn't. I tell myself, I'll start over tomorrow. I'll fix this tomorrow. And it wasn't just this. Some nights it was cookies. Some nights it was DoorDash Taco Bell. Some nights it was Reese's late at night. Different versions, same cycle. That I'll start over tomorrow cycle. I lived in that for 20 years. That cycle kept me stuck for over 20 years. And it had nothing to do with willpower at all. Once I figured out what was actually happening, everything changed fast. I didn't just stop that habit. I lost over 110 pounds. And it wasn't just my weight, my whole life started to change. I thought I had no discipline. I thought I was the problem. But the truth was, I was starving myself all day and breaking every night, trying to eat healthy, low fat, low calorie, always hungry. That's not a willpower problem. You're not weak, you're hungry. Here's how it played out each day. I'd be good all day, skip meals, eat light, fight my cravings. By the time I got in the car to go home, I was done. I stopped for fast food, eat it in the car, then walk in the house and eat dinner again with my family, like nothing happened. That's where the double life starts, and you know it. If this is you, don't scroll. Hit like so more guys see this, and stick with me. I'll show you how to break it. When I switched to simple meals, ground beef, eggs, steak, the hunger disappeared. The cravings went quiet, and for the first time in years, I drove straight home. I went from stopping every day to not even thinking about it. The fight was gone. No relentless battle in my mind. Now it's not willpower, it's just how I live. No more hiding, no more lying to myself, no more shame walking in the door. I could finally look at myself with respect again. I had more energy. I could move again, do things with my family, live differently. I was finally back in control of my life. If this sounds like you and you're tired of fighting this every day, I put together a simple 30-day plan to help you reset your eating, stay full, and take control of your life again. Watch this video. I'll link it down below. I'll walk you through exactly what to do step by step. Hey, if this spoke to you, if you've been living this cycle, hit like so more men stuck in this can see it. And subscribe if you want to fix this for good. Real food, real results. And if you're ready to take control back today, watch that 30-day plan right here. Thanks for watching. Stay strong and take control.